Hello everyone, my name is Vanhoecke, and as part of my biodiversity research project, I will be looking at the evolutionary history of hibernation strategies within Ichneumonidae Darwin wasps. So, hibernation is a form of diapause, which is a prolonged reduction of metabolic activity in order to survive periods of unfavorable environmental conditions. When these environmental conditions take place during winter months, we call this hibernation, and the specific environment in which an organism hibernates is what we call a hibernaculum. Within Darwin wasps, this can be within caves, or within leaf litter, or under tree bark, or various other things. So I would like to know what the evolutionary history of hibernation is among genera within the subfamily Ichneumonidae. I would like to know how strong the phylogenetic signals are for various hibernaculum types within the tribes Ichneumonidae and Phaeogenidae, and I would like to know whether these hibernaculum types are more correlated with taxon or with body size within these tribes. So, as part of the data collection phase of my research, I will do a scientific literature review of the state of the art of phylogenetics of Darwin wasps. In addition to this, I will gather data on the evolutionary timeline of Darwin wasps. I will gather data on their hibernation and I will gather data on whether they hibernate or which hibernacula they use, and I will gather data on their body sizes. In addition to this, I will be using Taxapod, which is a offline database in order to help with this data gathering. Then, using publicly available genes from GenBank, I will be making a time-calibrated tree using BEAST, and this tree will serve as the basis for an ancestral state reconstruction, in which I will test the evolution of hibernation within the subfamily Ichneumonidae and hibernaculum use and body size within the two relevant tribes. In addition to this, I will be calculating Pagel's lambda and Blumberg's K in order to test the strength of these phylogenetic signals, and I will be conducting a two-way ANOVA to test the effects of taxon and hibernaculum on size. So, I expect hibernacula, I expect hibernation to have evolved independently across various distantly related genera within Ichneumonidae. I expect weak phylogenetic signals for hibernaculum type and body size within Ichneumonidae and Phaeogenidae, and I expect body size and hibernaculum type to be more strongly correlated than taxon and hibernaculum type. So the literature review portion I expect to be done by the 10th of March. By the 7th of April, I expect to be done with my dataset construction, and by the 22nd of April, I expect to be done with my models and my statistics. Thank you all for listening, and if you have any questions, please email me at my mail address listed here. Thank you, bye.